Do you want to make nice piece of wooden jewelry? Just hold my cup of coffee. You need a hammer with flat face. You need good splitting pliers and the pencil and your preferred piece of wood. Draw your design. Inspect the strip. Cut off the end that is not sharpened properly. Pre-shape. If the shape is too curvy, pre-shape the strip accordingly. You can use some tool if you wish. the sharpened side of the strip goes into the wood. Initial strike should be harder to set it into the wood. Determine proper splitting line so your design looks nice. Use 220 grit to finish the surface. Around the edges. Drill a hole, clean the hole. If you have pyrography tool, you can fill the shape. If you don't, proceed to finish. I'm using linseed oil. Extra virgin linseed oil. And it's finished. Give it to someone who can appreciate your effort and kindness.